At the moment a guest enters your property, they are already communicating, not with words, with pace, posture, expression. The question is whether your team can read it. Ultra-luxury guests signal far more than they request. Most of those signals go unread, not because your teams aren't observant, because they haven't been given a system for reading. This is not prediction, it is foresight. Prediction commits to one outcome. Foresight prepares for several. It is simply put, reacting versus preparing. System 3E installs a structured protocol that transforms intuition from individual talent into organizational infrastructure. The protocol doesn't rely on any one person's read. It gives your team a consistent way to work through what a guest needs, before intervention becomes recovery. Foresight matters most in shifting moments: checkout, service transitions, recovery situations. These are the moments guests are most exposed to misreads and most likely to remember how they were handled. When staff misread emotional direction, even technically correct service creates distance. The relationship declines, without complaint, without signal, without the chance to recover. When your team hesitates, they are often reading something you haven't yet seen. That hesitation is data. System 3E builds in leaders the discipline to read two things: what the guest carries and what direction it is already moving. We measure foresight capability through the intuition score, tracking multiple dimensions of capability across your teams. What was instinct becomes visible. What is visible becomes improvable. When guests feel personally understood, not simply served, but accurately read, retention becomes structural. That is the return on intuition. Pulse of Intuition installs pattern recognition as infrastructure, not dependent on exceptional individuals, but embedded in your organizational capability. The read becomes the standard. A sense of pulse. The architecture of the unspoken signal. System 3E installs the foresight that reads what's coming before it needs to be managed.